days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. DAYS days, of THE the, WEEK week, days of the week. MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY Tuesday, WEDNESDAY Wednesday, THURSDAY Thursday, FRIDAY Friday, SATURDAY Saturday, SUNDAY Sunday. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. MONTHS months, of THE the, YEAR year, months of the year. January, JANUARY January. February, FEBRUARY February. March, MARCH March. April, APRIL April. May, MAY May. June, JUNE June. July, JULY July. August, AUGUST August. September, SEPTEMBER September. October, OCTOBER October. November, NOVEMBER November. December, DECEMBER December.
प्यारे बच्चों, लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें।